this method is already discussed in the video which is uploaded. So in probability method, that means if there is no saddle point, by using maximin and minimax, you cannot find a saddle point. That means maximin not equal to minimax. In that case, if it is a 2 by 2 payoff matrix, that means only 2 rows and 2 columns. This is the example. If it is a 2 by 2 payoff matrix, you can use the probability method. Okay, that means this is not deterministic. Some probability is associated with the decisions taken by the players. Okay, so here suppose the first row AB, that denotes the payoffs, player A and player B. That means if player A chooses A1, player B will choose B1, strategy B1, so that the payoff value is A. The same way, if player A chooses strategy A1 and player B chooses strategy B2, the payoff will be B. So the A, B, C, and D, these are the values of the payoff matrix. Then, in this case, we will assume that P is the probability for A using strategy A1, the strategy A1, and if P is the probability of A choosing strategy A1, then definitely 1 minus P be the probability of A choosing the strategy A2, because the total probability should be 1. That means player A will choose strategy A1 or A2 with some probability. So P, we are considering P. We are assuming that P is the probability of A choosing A1. So the probability of A choosing A2 will be 1 minus P. Then we can use this formula P equal to D minus C by A plus D minus B plus C. In that case, you will get the value of P, the probability P. So all these D, C, A, and B, all these values are given us in the payoff matrix. So using this formula, you can calculate the value of P. And the theory part you don't study. Just for you, you just follow this formula for calculating P. And the same way, suppose B chooses B1 with a probability Q, then B will choose B2 with a probability 1 minus Q. So Q and 1 minus Q are the probabilities of B choosing strategies B1 and B2. The value of Q, the same way we have a formula. There's a small mistake in that formula. Just 1 minute. Yeah, this is D minus B instead of D minus C. This is D minus B. Okay. So only that value will have to be changed. Yeah. So P and Q, you can use that formula for P D minus C and for Q D minus B. The denominator is same, so it's easy to remember the formula. Then value of the game B is given by AD minus BC by A plus D minus B plus C. Here also the denominator is same. Value of the game means at the saddle point, we will get the value. Okay, so since it is a mixed strategy problem, using the probabilities, you can calculate the value of the game using this formula. And that is explained in the video. Now we will just do a problem. Solve the following game. We have the player A. We have two strategies A1 and A2. For player B, two strategies B1 and B2. And the payoff matrix is given 3, 5, 4, 1. Now, here maximin not equal to minimax. For example, if you take the row minimum, the first row, the minimum of the two values 3 and 5 is 3. The second row, it is 1. So 3 and 1 are the minimum values there. And in column, take the maximum, you will get 4 and 5. 4 for the first column and 5 for the second column. Then if you take maximum of the minimum values, that means maximum of 3 and 1, it is 3, whereas minimax is minimum of the maximum values, minimum of 4 and 5, it is 4. So 3 not equal to 4, maximum not equal to minimax. You can just check that. In this case, we can use the probability method. So in probability, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So you can use the probability method. Probability for A using the strategy A1, let it be P. Probability of player B using the strategy B1 equal to Q. So we will assume that probability of A using strategy A1 is P and probability of player B using the strategy B1 is Q. So the rest of the probability you can find out. Probability of player A using strategy A2 is 1 minus P because the total probability is 1. So in this case, player A will choose A1 or A2 based on a probability. Okay, if player A chooses A1 with a probability P, then player A will choose A2 with a probability 1 minus P. The same way, suppose player B chooses strategy B1 with a probability Q, then player B will choose B2 with a probability 1 minus Q. Okay, so this P and Q, we can assume that these are the probabilities. Then calculate the value of P. It's very simple. Use that formula D minus C by A plus D minus B plus C. You will get 1 minus 4 in the numerator. 1 minus 4 means D minus C. 1 is D, C is 4. So 1 minus 4 divided by A plus D. A is 3, D is 1. 3 plus 1 minus B plus C. B is 4. B is 4. It is written. Okay, B is 5, whereas C is 4. Okay. So A plus D minus B plus C. The value is minus 3 by 4 minus 9, minus 3 by minus 5, that is 3 by 5. So the probability is 3 by 5. P is 3 by 5. So 1 minus P is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. The same way, we can calculate Q using this formula D minus B. Instead of C, here we have B. The all other variables are same. So in this case, 1 minus 5, 1 minus b divided by 3 plus 1 minus 4 plus 5, that is minus 4 by minus 5, that is 4 by 5. So the value of 1 minus q is 1 minus 4 by 5, that is 1 by 5. So we got all the probabilities now. P, Q. Expected value of the game, already we have seen the formula, AD minus B, BC by A plus D minus B plus C. So you will get 17 by 5. That is the value of the game. Now the solution you have to write like this. A strategy. A will choose A1 with a probability P and A2 with a probability 1 minus P. That means A strategy is 3 by 5, 2 by 5. These are the probabilities of choosing strategies A1 and A2. The same way, B strategy is Q1 minus Q. The values are 4 by 5, 1 by 5. Or B strategy means we will choose B1 with a probability 4 by 5 and B2 with a probability 1 by 5. And the value of the game is 17 by 5. So this is the second method. That means the first method is for pure strategy. That means it is a deterministic case where you will get the saddle point by match-min minimatch principle. You have to find the match-min first, then minimatch. If match-min equal to minimatch, we can assume that there is a saddle point and the value of the game you will get, and the strategies coinciding with that value of the game. That are the strategies of both the players A and B. Whereas in this method, mostly if there is no saddle point by applying maximum minimatch principle, and if it is a 2 by 2 matrix, then only you can apply this method. If it is a 2 by 2 matrix, otherwise you cannot apply probability method. We have some other methods like the dominance method. We are using principle of dominance, that is the next method. So if it is a 2 by 2 matrix, you can assume the probabilities P and Q. Then we have the formula, use that formula. The values are given in the payoff matrix. You can use the formula and you can find the probabilities and the value of the game. So this is about the mixed strategy problem.